Beacon Hill's original Hellhound Hallwin had just one job, and he failed. For whatever reason, some Teen Wolf fans fixate on these characters with only one or two appearances and tend to imbue them with some mythic qualities that they never showed on screen. Thus is definitely the case with Hallwin. His job, like all the Hellhounds, is to protect the secrets of the supernatural world, protect humanity from the unique threats in the supernatural world, and to aid in the collection of souls. Back in the first decade of the last century, Hallwin had successfully imprisoned one of the most dangerous supernatural spirits, the Anukate. It was trapped inside the Wild Hunt. Then Hallwin decided to hang out on Earth, just in case the Anukate escaped. Now, Hellhounds can't die because they're spirits that possess human bodies. So Hallwin could have just returned to the Wild Hunt to stand guard, but he instead chose to encase himself in rock and stay on Earth. The main reason I think Hallwin remained here is time. It takes time for a Hellhound to find a new human host who's about to die, possess the body, gain full control of the body, and move the body to where you need them. It took the parish Hellhound the better part of a year to become simpatico with his host. Hallwin was not prepared to waste all that time, because if the Anukate did manage to escape, by the time Hallwin caught up, it would have already consolidated itself into a new body and be impossible to catch.
Keep them apart. And still weak. You can't let the two halves merge. If you do, you won't be able to catch it.
So Hallwin sat in his hard candy shell in the basement of Eichen House for 100 years, right up until that stupid Nazi Douglas plugged Corey into the Wild Hunt way station and merged that dimension with our real world.
Attention all passengers. The train will be arriving in 8 minutes.
The Anukate escaped during the events at the end of Season 6, Episode 10, and then spent the summer possessing insects until it could gather enough to possess animals and then start killing humans to steal their form. Once it became big enough for Hallwin to sense it, he woke up. He then immediately set about trying to find the human forms in which the creature was hiding.
No, it's not you.
Unfortunately, Hallwin's work was interrupted by Monroe and that stupid silver bullet.